Hello everyone, my name is Jeevan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work in a VI editor, the text editor in a Linux system. So VI editor is one of the very useful editor, very good and powerful editor tool available in any Linux system. So uh, I'll show you how we can edit the file using this editor. This editor you will find everywhere, not just in the Linux box you are working. Let's say you are working in any firewall or load balancer or any application script that you are working. So most of the those platforms backend is on the Linux. So you will require to know how to edit the file in a most of the cases and in a regular basis you'll require. So I'm going to show you how to use this VI editor and what are the modes available in this VI editor. There are two major modes, the insert and command. The insert is to modifying the content and the command mode is to hit the commands like coming back and saving what you have done change or going back without saving and all. And the third one I will show you how, just modify something in your file and using the commands how to save that content and go back into your normal uh, working English mode. And then another thing I will show you how we can go back without saving uh, the content. Let's say we have make some changes and we don't want to save it, and however we just want to go back um, without saving it into the Linux system in the command mode. So how we can do it? So let's get into it. I'm going to take you into my lab practice environment and I will show you each and every command in detail. Okay, now I'm inside my lab environment. This is my Kali Linux box setup. So I'm just going to show you this is my present working directory, and here I have one folder called project here. So inside the project, I will just start working, create a file first. There is one file, one is already there, but I'm going to create a new file using this cat command. Okay, the file 2 here. I'll put the some contain, it's file 2 here, and that's it. So without this editor, also we can add some text into the existing file that I have already shown in my previous other videos using the cat command as well, how we can append the text into the existing file. However, we can't do much using those commands. Let's say we need to completely modify the file and and in the middle of something, so we can't do this using those commands. So in that case we'll need a editor, the text editor. So the VI editor is uh, is the one I'm going to show you how we can modify the content of the any text file in the Linux. So the command is just to hit VIE and the file name. Here I'm going to modify the file to. So once you hit this command, you will be in a VI editor file, this window. So it's like a log. You can't go back here like this. So there is a mode in the VI editor. This text editor mode. There are two modes majorly. One insert and the another is command. So how to go in insert mode? So currently, if you try to type something here, it will not allow you to do anything. So just go into insert mode. Just press the I key. In the bottom, you can see it is showing you your current mode. Insert now. So if you do something here now, you can see the cursor here and go into the next line also. You are in insert mode. So insert mode, you will make any modification into your file, whatever you want to do. So in this case, I'm just trying to demonstrate what and how you can work and modify your file. So in real case, you may need to do anything. So that will be, you can keep practicing and depending on the requirement, you may need to do any sort of changes. But I'm just trying to demonstrate how you can play with these file and make the changes into your existing file using this VI editor. So now in this demonstration, I'm just going to add another line. So it's a new contain I have just added. So this is the line I have added here. So what next? So for example, I have done this and I want to go back, save it and go back. So how to do? So for this, I'll have to go in a command mode. So how to go in command mode? Just press the escape key. Then it is like your command mode. So the colon is just like when you will type the colon, you will go in a bottom line here. Then there are several commands. So I will show you a couple of commands, and before it, I'm just trying to explain you those commands in detail as well. So there is an extension command, just w. W is like write or save. The Q for quit, quit from this editing mode. And you can use the both combination, these two combinations as well. Let's say you can use WQ also. So when you will use WQ, it will be right like a save and quit. So let's say you need to you have make some changes and you need to just go back without saving it. So how you'll do? So you'll hit the Q to the quit and the colon. There is a explanation mark. So it's just for exit. So how you want to go back without saving? So Q is to quit. It's not quite quit. Uh, and an exit. So you will just press the after colon you will press Q and exclamation mark. So it will make you exit without saving your recent modification. So I will show you how we can do. The first one I'm just going to I have make the changes here. I'm going to save and go back into my Linux mode. So what I will do, I'll just press the W Q. So it's going to save and quit from this editing mode. So let's hit enter. Here back. So how we can say it? There are lot of viewing command. You could also refer to my previous video how to open file, view their content in detail. I try to explain using the more less cat and all. So I'll use the cat here. So cat file 2. You can see the last line is also got added here. So the last line got saved and I'm exited into my Linux mode, the this user mode, and I can when I open this file, I can see that this line is got added into it. So this is there. So now I'm going to go into the VI again, then go into the insert mode. I will add something here, the another line, this one, and blah 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 blah. So I have make these changes, but I don't want to save this. Some reason, let's say there will be the real situation like you have a script, the large script, and you have make some changes, so many changes, and you lose the control that, and you don't remember what are the changes you have made, and now you are at some point you need to just just undo that everything, but you don't remember how many lines and what are the section in your script you have worked, you have make the changes. So the easiest way, going back, the making roll back whatever you have done in this script, to go back to what your previous position. So how to do this? So you will just do the same thing, escape and the colon. So it's like just don't save whatever I make it and go back. So how the Q to the quit and escalation. So if you'll hit this command, it will quit you and the exit from this core mode as well. So let's do that. So if you open this file here, you will see there is no content, no changes in this file. So this is very useful. Let's say you have make some changes, but you don't know how to how many lines you have deleted or added. So easiest way, go back using this. So it will roll back your recent changes and it will not save your changes that you have recently made in this one operation. So another thing I will show you, just go into the VI again and the insert. I will show you, let's say you have done something. For example, you keep adding the content, but at this same time you are not either going to save or unsave and go into your working area. You just want to exit. So how to do this? So let's escape and colon and the exclamation mark, hit enter. So it will take, now you can see the content either not saved and it is not even undo. However, now you can see you are back into your user mode where you can see the other thing. So there you have a two choice here. Now just enter or type something to continue with your VI editing. So you can see you still have the content what you wrote here earlier, that is not saved into your file permanently, and something you wanted to see into your uh, working mode, the user mode. So you are able to go there and see that uh, there as well. So that's the another thing I just try to show you. So let's go back without saving everything into the my user working mode. So this is all about in VI editor. I just try to show you how to edit the file and how to make the changes, and then how to save those changes what you have recently made, and other commands like just quit if you just want to quit it from it, or quit and exit without saving your recent modification, or just exiting without either saving or not saving. That will allow you to go back into in your working mode and s- come back again without destroying um, your recent changes that you made. Hope this has been very informative to you. If you like, please subscribe my video so you will get to know about my new content that I keep creating. Thank you. Thanks for watching.